Good morning students. In today's class we will solve the problems based on our previous topic, reactions in solutions. So just see what are these problems are. What is the concentration of sugar C12H22O11 in mole liter inverse if its 20 gram are dissolved in enough 20 gram are dissolved in enough water to make a volume up to 2 liter. So that is our first question. Our second question is a solution is prepared by dissolving 2 gram of a substance A in 18 gram of water. Calculate the mass percentage of solute in this case. So first we solve the first question. In this first question, what information we are given? We are given the mass of sugar. We are given the quantity of sugar, and this mass of sugar is 20 gram. Mass of sugar equals to 20 gram. Molecular mass of sugar, molecular mass of sugar equals to, by using the molecular formula of sugar molecule, we find out the molecular mass for this. 12 multiplied by 6 plus 22 multiplied by 1, 11 multiplied by 16, and the total value of this mass when we get is equal to 342. 342 is the molecular mass for that particular sugar. Now what is the moles value for this sugar? Moles of sugar equals to 20 gram divided by 242 gram. So that is the mole value of this sugar we have in this. And volume of the solution is given in liter, and that is volume of solution is 2 liter. Volume of solution equals to 2 liter. Now we put the value for the molarity. Small n equals to 20 by 242, and it is already given in liter, so we divide this by the liter value there, and in this case what we have, the value we have, when we solve the value we get related to this. So that is how we find out the molarity there. In second question you have that a solution is prepared by dissolving 2 gram of a substance in 18 gram. It means here mass of solute A. In this question, mass of solute A equals to 2 gram. So 2 gram, and mass of solvent equals to mass of solvent equals to 18 gram. Mass percentage of solute, very simple. Mass percentage of solute equals to the formula mass of solute divided by total mass and multiplied by 100. It means 200 by 20 and the mass percentage will be equal to the 10%. So these are two simple questions we have there, and we solve these questions in this manner. So these are some problems which we have related to reactions and solution with this topic. Now you have to do one question at your home. 2.46 gram of NaOH dissolved in water. 2.46 gram of NaOH dissolved in water. Dissolved in water. Dissolved in water, and solution is made up to 100 centimeter cube, and solution is made up to 100 centimeter cube, in a volumetric flask. Okay, thank you.